This screen protector is the exact same quality as Paperlike. Today I'm going to help you decide if you should spend $40 for the popular brand Paperlike or $10 for the alternative called iCarez. Watch this video all the way till the end to hear about the pros and cons of both screen protectors so you can figure out which one you should buy. Tony here, we talk art and design tech. Consider subscribing. In this video, we're gonna take a look at cost, how easy the screen protectors are to apply, color noise for artwork, web surfing, and watching video, the overall texture for writing and drawing, glare resistance, and then the overall wear and tear from long-term use. When it comes to cost in this comparison, it's a no-brainer. Paperlike screen protectors come to be about $40, and the iCarez screen protector is $10. I could see the benefit of an extra cost if the screen protector provided protection, but matte screen protectors don't provide the same protection as tempered glass, paying more for essentially getting a texture of plastic on your iPad. Although it's great for using the Apple Pencil, it doesn't make sense to me. So 1 point goes to iCarez. When applying the screen protector, I noticed immediately that Paperlike was easier to apply. It didn't have all of the confusing stickers and instructions that the iCarez has, and honestly, you don't need all those instructions. I applied my iCarez screen protector the same way I applied the screen protector for Paperlike, and in my opinion, the less instructions, the better. So this point goes to Paperlike for easy instructions and easy screen protection application. Color noise and color distortion. When using a matte screen protector, it's not an issue that I have been hindered by when creating artwork. However, I know for some people it's a factor. Maybe it's just my eyeballs, but I don't see a great deal of color noise on either the Paperlike or the iCarez screen protector. Bear in mind, I don't use my iPad for video viewing often, and when I do, it's a casual viewing. I don't see any quality drop when it comes to creating artwork. Let's be clear, color noise is a thing. I mean, you will see a reduce in quality of the image, but what I'm saying is it doesn't hinder my creation of artwork. I haven't found it to stop me or make me take a second thought about color choices. The only time that I would see this to be an issue is if you're printing your work. So if you are printing your work, do take that extra precaution. Check your artwork on another monitor if you feel that the colors are not looking the way you need them to look. And by all means, when you print, if it's not adding up, then I could understand this being an issue, but it has not been an issue for me. When I take the iPad outside, I do experience a little bit less visibility, and that's consistent with both of the brands of screen protectors. So in this case, I'll give a point to both. This is probably the most important category of all, because the whole point of getting a matte screen protector is for the texture, to have the same feeling of drawing on paper, or at least move away from the glass surface feeling. When I compared both of the screen protectors, if I had a blindfold on, literally I would not know the difference. They both have a bit of resistance, but overall, the surface is very soft, and it doesn't feel like drawing on paper, but they are easier to draw with. When it comes to writing, however, there is a bit of a difference. I noticed when using the iCarez, it was a little more slippery in comparison, but not much. But Paperlike screen protector did have a little bit more resistance when writing, making my bad handwriting look a little better. So I'll give a point to Paperlike and iCarez for the overall texture. I personally did not notice a glare on my iPad Pro until using the matte screen protector. Both matte screen protectors add glare resistance to eliminate glare from direct lighting. When it comes to drawing, for the most of us, lighting is an essential part of creating artwork or even note-taking. When you have direct lighting shining on your artwork, if you have a ceiling fan or a desk light, it can be annoying. And I can say that both screen protectors do a good job of reducing the distracting glare, turning it into a light haze on the surface of the iPad. So a point goes to Paperlike and iCarez for glare resistance. Before the next comparison, which screen protector do you prefer, iCarez or Paperlike? Put it below in the comments. When it comes to wear and tear, Paperlike has a reputation for wearing down Apple Pencil tips and scratching matte screen protectors over time. If you casually use your Apple Pencil, this won't be a massive issue. But if you are a creative professional, hobbyist, or student that takes notes often, you will see the impact of this, resulting in scratches on the surface, impeding your vision, your notes, and your artwork as well. iCarez, on the other hand, doesn't seem to have the same effect. You can definitely see the brushstrokes on the screen protector, but they aren't as noticeable as they are on the Paperlike screen protector. I've known some people to replace the Paperlike screen protector yearly and apply a new matte screen protector on their iPad after 6 months, resulting in spending $40 to buy a screen protector yearly. If that is something that you choose to do, go for it. However, iCarez matte screen protectors are so similar in quality, in my opinion, you might as well spend $10 for the year or $40 for 4 years and not wear down your Apple Pencil as fast with iCarez. This point goes to iCarez for overall less wear and tear. In this comparison, iCarez wins with 5 points and Paperlike with 4. If you really want to experience what Paperlike is like, iCarez is an affordable alternative, and it can help you decide if you even like the way that the Paperlike screen feels overall. My biggest gripe with Paperlike is how it wore down my Apple Pencil. iCarez is a soft surface and also more affordable. I have tons of other screen protectors that I will be testing in the coming months, so subscribe to see those comparisons. Watch this video next to see my in-depth thoughts on Paperlike.